For you, me, and every commuter in the national capital, traffic jams are not just an everyday nuisance. They're also pollution hotspots.
ये लगातार जो हमारी एयर क्वालिटी को लेकर के बैठक चलती है, आज हमारी छठी बैठक थी। इसमें मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, हाउसिंग, अर्बन अफेयर, रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट, एनसीआर की स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, सिविक बॉडीज, एमसीडी गुड़गांव, फरीदाबाद, नोएडा, दिल्ली पुलिस, सीएक्यूएम, सीपीसीबी, स्टेट पॉल्यूशन बोर्ड, ये आज छठी करी है। इससे के पहले हमारे सेक्रेटरी साहब के भी अंडर में और सीएक्यूएम चेयर के अंडर में भी 2 मीटिंगें हुई हैं।
जैसे दिल्ली में 62 ट्रैफिक कंजेशन हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं, उसको जल्दी से जल्दी उन पे कार्रवाई की जाए। उनमें से कुछ ऐसे हैं जिन पे कि बहुत ही शॉर्ट टर्म में काम किया जा सकता है। उसके लिए भी ट्रैफिक पुलिस और जो पीडब्ल्यूडी और अदर अथॉरिटीज जिनसे ये ट्रैफिक कंजेशन कम होगा, उनको भी निर्देश दिए गए हैं।
Now, even the government agrees. At a high-level meeting, the Environment Ministry flagged 62 congestion hotspots across Delhi NCR that are directly worsening air quality. We visited a few obvious ones to see how bad it really gets.
When there is a traffic signal at ITO, since there are no bus lanes on one side, there is immense congestion that happens here, which leads to an higher amount of air quality index and overall bad toxic air because the vehicles are guzzling emissions. And here is where the most prominent hotspot of congestion is seen.
In many of these sites, the CAQM, Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and adjoining areas, says small, quick fixes like better traffic management, coordinated policing, clearing parked vehicles and roadside encroachments can drastically cut emissions. Authorities including the Delhi Traffic Police, PWD, MCD and local enforcement teams have been asked to work together for fastest possible mitigation. This comes as NCR towns Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurugram and Faridabad have also been told to immediately act on their own identified hotspots. The focus: removing illegal parking, clearing right-of-way obstructions, regulating auto tempo stands, smoother traffic dispersal, repairing broken stretches that create dust. In a new move, the CAQM is forming an expert committee on vehicular pollution, which NCR districts require to prepare a 1-year action plan. Ghaziabad and Noida will draft their plans first, followed by Gurugram and Faridabad. The Commission has also pushed for stronger dust management, noting that dispersed dust sources like construction leftovers, unpaved stretches and roadside dumping are still going unchecked. Environment experts say unless parking issues are sorted, nothing will work on ground.
Majority of the problem is parking. And yesterday at the Rajya Sabha, when they raised, because on the CAQM advice of raising the parking pricing, it wasn't allowed, taken up. Things should be out of their hands. Nobody, this is criminal now, that every nook and corner of Delhi is parking.
At a pollution protest, some even agreed at this point to an odd-even scheme. That is how desperate Delhiites are for clean air.
An emergency plan, you have your GRAP, why did they lift it? Yeah, you could do an odd even if you say the bulk of the emissions are vehicular emissions. Why don't you do an odd even?
Are you agreed to an odd even?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, and we felt that when it was there, implemented, it actually showed a difference on the days when there was odd even. There was a difference. Vehicular pollution was shown to be one of the worst sources. Of course, we're not scientists. They should do that themselves. They've got enough scientists on board.
Enough scientists, they can take expert advice. Traditionally, our governments have never listened to the experts because it's inconvenient. Yeah.
So while Delhi prepares long-term policies on air quality, need of the hour is to fix what is fixable fast, basic enforcement could make the quickest difference.
Internal sources of pollution that can be easily managed are being left on their own so that the pollution levels in the National Capital Region increase. These are simple measures that can be taken by the traffic regulatory authorities is what the CPCB and CAQM are saying, and they need to identify all these to make sure immediate measures are brought in to reduce the toxic air in the national capital. With Alok Das, Milan Sharma for India Today.